there's such rapid development in technology that the ship really tries to keep up. And we do a pretty good job with it, but every install, every new group, every new system that comes on board the ship, we have to make sure it's compatible with what we have, currently on board. And sometimes that can cause some difficulties and some challenges. But there's such a rapid development from when the ship was commissioned back in 1986 to now, in 2025, that these upgrades and this work that's done on the ship, you got to make sure it's very compatible and works well together. And sometimes you have some difficulties with that. I will also say that some of the big things that we also work on too that are important to kind of upgrade is and has a big part on crew morale are things like berthings, heads, the galleys, areas in which the crew spends a lot of time, underway on. And I think we have to continue to invest on fixing those, systems in those areas. And sometimes those are the ones that are probably the hardest hit in terms of, corrosion and things breaking. But the more emphasis and focus we can put on that, the better off the crew is going to be. I think in the long term when we go on workups and deployment. I know one of the things that Chris had also mentioned that I want to point out as well too is the Wi-Fi. So having Wi-Fi capability on board the ship, absolutely incredible.